I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Word and signing into your Microsoft account so Dictate syncs settings. Connect and test a good microphone. Make sure input levels aren't clipping. Once done, go to the Home tab and click the Dictate microphone icon. You'll see a red dot when listening. Speak normally, enunciate punctuation like comma and period, and pause for new lines. If you want language options, select the language menu beside the icon, then choose the dialect for best recognition. You now control dictation and make live edits while speaking. Say punctuation and formatting commands, for example, new line, new paragraph, comma, colon, so Word inserts them correctly. Use commands like select that, delete that, or replace Word with WORD to fix specific parts. Once done dictating a sentence, glance at the live transcript to catch misheard words and correct them by voice or keyboard, because quick corrections improve future accuracy. You finish by proofing your dictated document and securing it. Read the text aloud with Read Aloud, then run spelling and grammar. Make sure to accept or adjust suggestions. Enable auto-save or save a version so your work is safe. If recognition degrades, restart Word and replug or reconfigure the microphone in your OS sound settings. Make sure privacy permissions allow microphone access. One key troubleshooting tip: if words consistently misrecognize, switch the dictate language to a closer accent, then retrain your pacing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.